This one is for the women who make it happen. The ones who look at the mirror with elegance. Take on the street, it is hard to go. Who resonate closely to everything you do. Be positive. Say yes for an answer. This is for the woman who sees obstacles as opportunity and show the world with courage and creativity in every single day in a million ways. This is for every woman who looks in the mirror and see the power she can control and the value of her dreams. This is the woman who knows what to do. Put on your strong face and be proud. Go out and make it happen. JELITASARA, beauty everywhere.